Sabah everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you a quick video showcasing the brand new ambient mode on our Chromecast. Now this is kind of a replacement of the backdrops that we've had in the past, but it has a lot more options and it's definitely very nicely refined. This is TK, let's check it out. So the first thing we want to do is go into our Google Home application, make sure we're connected to the same Wi-Fi as our Chromecast devices, and we should be able to see our devices listed either right in front of us, or if you don't, scroll down through the options here on the top right, you'll be able to see all your devices that are connected and are active. For me, I'm going to be using the TK Ultra as this is connected to my 40-inch TV that's right here in the office. I'm going to go ahead and go under Ambient Settings, and that's the new option that we're going to be looking at. And you'll see that it looks very nice and it's very organized. The first options you'll see here is the display or the source of images that you can be displaying on the TV. The second thing you have the ability of customizing is the temperature, hiding it, changing it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, or having both if you prefer to have that. Of course, you have the time, show and hide, personal photo data, as well as hide and show. And last but not least is just basically the slideshow speed or the interval as to when pictures are rotating between. I have it set to 10 seconds. You can go all the way to 10 minutes. And then of course you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. Now let's go back into the source of the data, which I think is really the best part. By default, it's set to be the art gallery. This is what we normally get. You'll see those nice images. And I'm going to keep all of this sitting for you here on the left side of the screen. And what you see there essentially is just art, and it really is beautiful art that you can definitely see. It shows the information for it. What you can do, of course, now is switch over and put it into your photo frames. So for me, I have it connected to a photo frame of mine from a previous trip. I can select multiple albums. Once we have those set, you can basically turn it on, and when you have it on, your TV will start putting those images on, and it'll jump on depending on how quickly your settings are set. Now the beauty of it, of course, it's pulling all those images from Google Photos. It's not pulling it directly off my device. The next thing I wanted to share with you guys is, and you can definitely customize all the options that you want, different albums, is under the experimental tab. And now we have some nice functionalities of being able to sync up to Facebook, which I do have connected, Flickr if you have an account, also low bandwidth mode, which enables you to have better performance when your network connection is not so strong and you don't want to eat up a lot of your bandwidth. Now for Facebook, it's pretty simple. You authorize the application, you go into the Facebook account, and then once you select it, you can go in there and select which album you have from your Facebook account to be able to show. And then if you're pretty much done there, turn it on, you'll notice the selection changed over here and it says Facebook. And then you'll notice right there, those are pictures from our last trip that we did with the family, and it's just super easy to set up. Again, Ambient Mode is installed on your Chromecast. Make sure you're running the latest version of the Google Home application on your device, and you should be able to see a preview of all those images right in the Google Home app so that you don't have to worry about it. So even if you're worried about what images are going to show, you can see them right there. And of course, you can still ask at the end of the day, okay Google, turn TK Ultra off. Definitely very nice to be able to customize the backdrops on our Chromecast, and it adds a nice little flair to our device. The main thing you want to keep in mind is those photos that I shared with you guys were already uploaded to Google Photos, so it wasn't really pulling it from my phone, it was pulling it directly from Google Photos. So even if my phone is not on the network, those images will still be able to get displayed on the TV. As far as the experimental mode, Flickr and Facebook, those are very nice, as well as low bandwidth mode if you need to use that. And of course the default art one, I think that's just the normal one we usually have with all of our Chromecast. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All those other customizations at the bottom I think are very cool. The interval, the weather, as well as just the picture information. I think those are very nice to be able to set up directly, and you can hide them if you don't want. So that's the other thing. You can customize what shows up on your display. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.